Maybe we need just a little more time, time that can heal what's been on your mind. We can find what we've lost before it all slips away. We need time to mend from the mistakes I've made. God only knows what a heart can survive. So many tears from all the pain in your life. And where else could we go after all we've been through? I still believe my life is right here with you. So just hold on, and it won't take long. I hope that you can love me when the pain is gone. I don't want us to fall through the cracks of our broken hearts. Oh, don't want us to fall through the cracks of your broken heart.